For today's lesson, you are going to need your sketchbook, a black marker, crayon or colored pencil, a regular pencil, and something to color with. First, let's look at some Topsy Turvy cakes. These cakes are a little different than a normal stacked cake. If you notice, the different layers are angled, so it makes it look like it's a little bit off balance. I'm going to show you today how to draw a cake that looks this way, and then you will be able to decorate it how you would like. We want to start by thinking about our paper in thirds. So the top third, the middle third, and the bottom third. I'm going to start my drawing of the cake in the top third. I'm going to start with an oval that is slanted. This is going to be the top of the top piece. I'm thinking about how far my edges are coming down. I'm going to bring one side down short and one side down long, and then do a curve underneath. Now I'm going to follow that same curve so that it goes around to create the top of the second tier. Notice how that curve follows that curve that was at the bottom. I'm going to repeat this. I'm going to bring a shorter line down from my edge that is lower and a longer line down from my edge that is higher and do another curve again. I'm going to follow another curved line here to create the oval that will be the top of the last piece of my cake. So that oval follows that curve from that second piece. On this last piece, I'm bringing my lines all the way down so that they are even with each other at the bottom. The cake has to sit flat on a table or on a plate, so both of those edges need to come down evenly. The last thing I'm going to do is add a plate for my cake to sit on. So I'm drawing that oval around the bottom of the cake. Now comes the fun part. Here is where you get to add all of the decorations and designs that you want to on your cake. The examples that we looked at had a theme, but each section was a little bit different than the section before. So you can choose 3 different themes or 3 different designs, or if you want your whole cake to be the same design, you can do that. Think about the different cakes you've seen or eaten in the past. Sometimes they will have images on them that are made of fondant, which is like a flat frosting that you can almost cut out shapes from and stick it on. So feel free to add different drawings and different images onto the edges of your cake too. It doesn't have to all be fluffy frosting. Once you have everything drawn in pencil, you need to get out a black marker or crayon and outline all of your pencil lines that you can see. If you outline in marker, go ahead and come back with an eraser and erase all of your pencil lines that you did not trace over or that you can still see. Now comes the time to add color to your picture. Here you can choose whatever colors you would like to color in the different layers of your cake. If each layer has a different theme, you can use different colors. Or if your whole cake is one theme, you can stick with the same colors throughout. In mine, I chose to do a different theme for each section, so I chose different colors for each section of the cake. Once you are finished, make sure that you take a picture and upload to Artsonia so that your art teacher can see it. If you have any questions about this assignment or how to do this, please contact your teacher through email.